Companion planting. Do you know what it is? Are you confused by it? Well, the main rule of companion planting is diversity. Grouping different types of plants together lets nature do its job better. Let's see how it works. Strong smelling plants can confuse pests and keep them away from things they normally love to eat. Try chives, coriander, dill and garlic to protect your tomatoes and leafy greens. Bright, colourful flowers not only look great, but they attract nature's pollinators and pest controllers, like native birds, butterflies, bees and ladybirds. Why not try planting cosmos, calendula, lavender and salvia near your veggies? Companion planting isn't just good for pests either. Tall, sun-loving plants can shelter low-growing, sun-shy plants. Try planting your lettuces in the shade of your eggplants or your capsicums. Another top tip is planting a mix of vegetables with deep, medium and shallow root systems. That means they aren't all looking for their water and nutrients in the same space and reduces competition. Try planting a row of tomatoes, a row of carrots and a row of lettuces together. So that's companion planting. It's not a silver bullet and it won't help control all your pests. And you know what? A few eaten leaves here and there are fine. So just give it a go and good luck.